What is up? I'm going to be doing a tutorial today, just to show how you can make different kinds of sounds using the same technique, or different varying intensities. Like within the PFT snare, you have just the soft pss, 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 pss. And then you can just go all the way up to the intense and just the split seconds now. Just the Now the trick to that is the tongue actually. Soft PFT, you just let your lips go out when you're done and you let it go. But for the quick one, just the what you want to do is rather than letting your lips go, letting the air go through them, you push the air through your lips while keeping them clenched, if that makes any sense. Basically, you just use your tongue actually to stop the airflow. I'll over-exaggerate just to show you. See? Your tongue's actually more just outside your teeth, in between your lips, stopping the airflow. And that just works differently. But within also the different kinds of throat basses you can do, you can leave your throat base kind of open and just nice sound. But if you want it just sounds fuller to me, if full makes any sense in the context of sound, is if you put your top teeth on your bottom lip and just sort of close your mouth while leaving your lips open. And it sends vibrations through your lips and just makes the sound fuller. And then you can kind of whistle and do one at the same time, if that makes any sense. It's a nice, I don't want to say it works the same, but it's a nice substitute for an overtone if you can't get an overtone. To just throw bass and whistle all at the same time. Especially workflow coming off a kick, you can just go right into it. Just the even within just your inward sounds, just think about taking one sound and doing as many different ways as you can. And just like the sound K, like K, 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 K. When you get into it, you can do many different kinds, inward, outward, and you can just play with the K vowel a lot using lip position. Jump cut, don't worry about it. But going back to the K snare, you can just make a plethora of sounds with it. Just by moving your lips. Down in here, like whatever this is. Looks weird, but it's effective. Just out, just being really wide, and still making the K sound with your tongue, just without the vocal inside of it. Just the K, K, K. And you'll hear a little bit of a throat sound. I'll get into that later. It's just, you do that with anything. Just say it and just take the vocal out. It's the easiest example is obviously the hi-hat with the letter T. So I just did it. T, 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 T. And then what I did on the last one there was he said he's going T, T, T. How my mouth opens, you see T, 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 T. But if you cut off the sound, you get you just, instead of opening, you then just like, you just use your tongue and you go, you push the air through and you don't back off. And another jump cut coming up.